Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. Sorrow. Welcome back for another lesson of biology. Today we're going through lesson 40 of chapter 15, the classwork 15.2 part 2. Before you start watching the video, remember to like and subscribe my channel and also share the video to your classmates. Let's start. Let's take a look at the question. A man just came out of the cinema and he was waiting bus at a bus stop. The photograph below shows a bus going towards the bus stop. Question C. He found that he could not see the bus route number clearly when the bus is far away from him. That means he cannot see the far away object clearly. On the other hand, he is able to see the near object clearly. He is having what type of eye defect? Alright, so he's having short sight. What does he mean by short sight? Where is the position of the image in the eyeball? Is it in front of the retina or behind the retina? Think. Alright, so the image should be formed right in front of the retina. And then C2. Can you suggest one possible problem in his eyes that might cause such eye defect? What is the causes of having short sight? Can you think of? One of the reasons is due to the lens. Another reason is due to the length of the eyeball. So one reason is the eyeball is too long. And the other reason is the lens, what happens to it? Is too thick. Question 3. Draw a ray diagram to show the pathway of light entering the eye when he is seeing a distant object. This boy, he is having short sight. That means the image inside the eye is formed in front of the retina of the eyeball. In order to show the ray diagram, we have to draw out an eyeball and also the movement of light ray. You need a pencil and a ruler right now. Take out a pencil and a ruler first. First of all, let's draw out an eyeball. In order to draw out a perfect eyeball with perfect circles, I recommend you to take out a $5 coin. A $5 coin is very useful in drawing out a perfect circle, which is helping you in drawing an eyeball. Don't forget to draw out the lens inside the eyeball as well. After drawing out the eyeball, you can start to draw out the light ray. What you need to do now is take a ruler. The light coming from the distant object goes into the eye as parallel light rays. Use the ruler, draw two straight lines into the eyeball and they should be parallel. Don't forget to draw arrows to show the direction of the light traveling. Perfect. Afterwards, when the light enter the eye and the lens, they are going to be refracted, zigzag and bend. So draw the light ray with a ruler again. Don't forget the arrow. Now, you'll be able to see that the image is focused right in front of the retina. So that's it of how you draw out the ray diagram to show the pathway of light entering the eye of the boy. Are you finished? Do you need anything else for this drawing? This is a drawing. You use pencil. Are you missing something? Yeah, you should write me a sentence. You should write me the title. Yeah, the title is Light of Distant Object Entering a Short Sight Eye. Alright, so give me a clear title. Perfect. And then question 4. Can you suggest how this eye defect can be corrected? What type of lens should you wear? You should wear concave lens. That means a lens looking like this. 凹透鏡. I would like you to also draw out the ray diagram to show how the lens helps to correct short sight and long sight. Alright, you have some spare space in your classwork. Please draw it out. I want to see your work. First of all, you have to show me the case of short sight, and then you are wearing a concave lens for correction. Draw out the eyeball first with the lens, and then draw out a concave lens. Lắp頭鏡. After that, use the ruler and pencil again. Draw out two straight lines with arrows. And then, when the light ray goes through the concave lens, they will bend away from the center. Alright, bend away from the center. We call it diverge, 分散佢. And then the light ray is going to go into the eye and focus onto the retina. Don't forget your arrows again. So this is how you can use a ray diagram to show you can use a concave lens to correct short sight. Don't forget your title. Okay, path of light ray from a distant object after correction by concave lens. Alright, several important words: distant object, correction by concave lens. Perfect. For the next, I would like you to draw a ray diagram to show how long sight can be corrected using a convex lens. So I'm drawing in here a convex lens. 凸透鏡. Try to follow my diagram. Draw out the ray diagram, how the long sight can be corrected using a convex lens. Are you missing out something after the drawing? Oh yes, you are missing out again the title. Alright, the title is Path of Light Ray from a Nearby Object after correction by Convex Lens. Perfect.